What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Donovan back with another video. Now I'm showing y'all boys how to have the perfect auto tune / the perfect detune. Let's get right into it. Let me turn my mic up real quick. Damn. Anyway, there we go. Alright, so this is like your vocals. This is like my vocals with no auto tune or nothing on it, right? So I'm tryna pop out the head, that little boy of mine. I'm tryna see what he think. Let your hands tryna wait no goddamn time. I'm tryna hop on and blink. How the fuck that hoe so many goddamn time? Giving me mine, no thing. Little bitch said she a dog, dog and who? Bitch, I been up in the ring. If we were playing ball, 20 and win. Then I would been spanked. And then this my vocals with auto tune on. Tryna pop out the head, that little boy of mine. I'm tryna see what he think. Let your hands tryna wait no goddamn time. I'm tryna hop on and blink. How the fuck that hoe so many goddamn time? Giving me mine, no thing. Little bitch said she a dog, dog and who? Bitch, I been up in the ring. If we were playing ball, 20 and win. Then I would been spanked. And that's with auto tune, like basically like zeroed in auto tune, perfect on key, like and all that. I'm gonna show you how to get perfect auto tune. So like step one, what you wanna do is you wanna get the key to your beat, whatever that may be. So you wanna put your beat onto a track by double clicking it. This should pop up, and scroll it to like whatever open track is. Usually it's probably like 1 if it's a new FLP. Some people like to put this shit all the way back on 30, but it really don't matter. And then you can just, if you have auto key like I do, then what you would do is just play the beat. And it should give you the key. And for this beat, the key is G hashtag minor. G hashtag minor and 440 hertz. This A equals 440 hertz. That stands for your detune. So whatever this number is right here, you're gonna have to, in your auto tune, make sure your detune is set to that number. Whatever this number is, your detune should be the exact same number, just to make sure you're on key. Because if you get off key and let's say you on 430 instead of 440, this is how it's gonna sound. Fuck. Tryna pop out the head, that little boy of mine. I'm tryna see what he think. Let your hands tryna wait no goddamn time. I'm tryna hop out and blink. How the fuck that hoe so many goddamn time? Giving me mine, no thing. Little bitch said she a dog, dog and who? Bitch, I been up in the ring. If we were playing ball, 20 and win. Then I would been spanked. Ho, I been a GOAT, chosen one. Did this shit by fate. I feel like being fake. You see what I'm saying? It's like it's off key. Like if your detune not on the right hertz or the right sense, then it's gonna knock it's gonna sound like it's still not on key. So make sure you keep out for that. And this is a quick little short video. So make sure y'all like, subscribe, turn on the post notification. I'll see y'all boys in the next one. Peace.